RigER Oilfield Services ERP presents Mobile Suite for Field Operations, which includes sales, safety, field service, equipment rentals, field repairs and maintenance, service calls, and mobile ERP. RigER Oilfield CRM simplifies the quote-to-contract process and leverages your price structure to ensure accuracy and compliance. Sales personnel can create client quotes on their mobile device and have them reviewed internally for approval or send them immediately to the client. RigER Field Ticket is a field technician's tool to enter all the job-specific information using their mobile devices. Field workers can record the use of labor, equipment and materials, perform equipment inspections, repairs and maintenance, attach photos, and get client approvals in either online or offline mode. All field information is then synchronized and uploaded to the RigER Oilfield Services ERP so that it's available to everyone else in the company and for reports to management and clients. RigER Purchase Order enables field personnel to make purchase order requests and for a purchase manager to approve those purchases. RigER Service Call enables users to create a service call directly on their mobile device, as well as with the ability to see all the service calls created by or have been assigned to them. RigER Service Call allows you to keep track of all client communication and assign tasks to a particular client request if required. RigER Oilfield Services ERP. This mobile client gives full access to all modules of the Oilfield Services ERP, enabling authorized users to create, change, and approve any document in real time. It is also a powerful tool for managers and executives, allowing them to run reports and dashboards anytime, anywhere. If you'd like to see the mobile ERP for oilfield service companies in action, book a demo today.